Good morning, pupils. Good morning, student. Chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. First, we shall study of fractions. The definition of fractions is fraction, the number of the form a upon b. We write the numbers in form of a upon b, where b is not equal to 0. b is not equal to 0. b is not equal to 0, and a and b are whole number. Whole number means, what is the whole number? Whole number start from 0 and go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and infinitive. It is called a whole number, 0 to infinitive. But b is not equal to 0 is called fractions. Example, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 4 by 5, that's an example. Note, here a is called the numerator and b is called the denominator. 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator, 2 is denominator, 3 is numerator, 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator, 4 is numerator, 5 is denominator, a is numerator and b is denominator. Types of fractions. How many types of fractions? The fractions are type unit fraction, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. First, the unit fractions. Unit means 1. Unit means 1. A fractions whose numerator is 1. Numerator means upper number. Upper digit are 1 is called a unit fractions. Example, the numerator is 1. Numerator is 1. Numerator is 1 and numerator is 1. 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 9, 1 by 20, 1 by 100, all the fractions having numerator is 1 is called the unit fractions. Second, the proper fractions. If the numerator of a fraction is smaller than the denominator, then fraction is called a proper fractions. Examples, 1 by 3, 4 by 5, 3 by 7. It is a proper fraction. Proper means by the rule. It means the uppercase, the numerator is less than the denominator, or smaller than the denominator. 1 by 3, numerator is smaller than denominator, 4 is smaller than 5, 3 is smaller than 7. So, the proper fraction, if the numerator of a fraction is smaller than the denominator, then fraction is called a proper fraction. Improper fractions. If the numerator of a fraction is greater than or equal to the denominator, then the fraction is called the improper fraction. Unusual means the numerator is greater than denominator. It is improper. The 7 is greater than 2, improper fraction. 6 is greater than 5, improper fractions. 4. The mixed fraction, a fraction having whole number along with a proper fraction is known as a mixed fraction. It means a fraction having whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any number of the whole number is mixed with the fractions. For example, 1 is a whole number and 2 upon 3 is a fraction. 1 is a whole number, 4 and 5 is a fraction. 2 is a whole number, 2 upon 3 is a fraction. And the next is fifth. Fifth, like fraction. Like fraction. Like fractions, fractions with same denominator are called the like fractions. Example, fractions with same denominator, with same denominator. Is called the fractions with same denominator are called the like fractions. Are called the like fractions. Example, equal to 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, and 8 by 7. The sixth is unlike fraction. The fractions with different denominators. The fractions with different denominators are called the unlike fractions. Examples are 1 by 2, 5 by 7, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 5 by 7, and 4 by 9, 5 by 9 is all the unlike fractions. First, we take an example. Example 1. Example 1. Convert number 1 a whole number and a fraction 4 by 5 into an improper fraction, into an improper fraction. The second is 68 upon 9 into a mixed fraction, Solution. First, 1 4 upon 5. We multiply by 5 into 1. 5 into 1 plus 4 upon 5. 5 1 the 5 plus 4. 5 1 the 5 plus 4 equal to 9 upon 5. The second, 68 upon 9. We divide the 68 by the 9. 9 8 the 9 7 the 63. 5 remaining 5, the quotient 7 and the denominator is 9. Then the whole number is 7 and the remainder is 5 and the denominator is 9. It is a mixed number. It is a improper fraction. It is a mixed fraction. We can change mixed fraction into improper and improper fraction into mixed fraction. This is the example. Okay, thank you.